This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
9,000 US for UPZ. All right, good morning. Hello, Jesse. Yeah, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Well, for me, we'll see. We still have to do, we're not fully done with the shift, but almost. You know, a little bit left, man, a little bit left. It's my last crazy time, then one more session in other game, and then I'm free to go home, right? But I'm not going home. I'm going to the gym, and then after the gym, then we go home. Then we can rest. Then we can go and sleep and chill for a bit, you know. All right, hey, yo, talking about chill. Guys, take a look at the top slot, please. Take a look at the top slot. Take a look at the top slot. Ladies and gentlemen, Crazy Time Forex. Alright, 4X, everybody. There we go. Alright. Well, I told you, end with the bang, right? There we go. My boy. Alright, well, 3 teams, guys. 3 flappers. 3 Pokemons. Alright, what you want? Bulbasaur, Squirtle, or Pikachu, right? Green, blue, yellow. There you go. Some Pokemon knowledge, guys, right? Some Pokemon knowledge. Alright, so what are you, green apple, blue apple, or yellow apple? Alright, Pika, 400X, everybody. Pikachu! Alright, here we go. Alright, can we squeeze something good here?
This is the amount of money issued, 790,558 euros.
Oh, now, let's go.
Players on Tom the Strong. A first place, almost 1,000. Warsaw, hi, you from Poland? Yes, no. I do have a magnet, Warsaw. Like a Disney, but there's written Warsaw. Yeah. You know what's inside? Much. You. So cute. I bought that magnet. Bicycles, you know, started. Forex and Crazy Time. For sure that might happen. For sure. No doubt. In the previous session, you catch 3 times Crazy Time. Please. Thank you. Crazy Time with Forex Extra. Juicy. I feel that's gonna be juicy. Welcome to the party. Let the magic in a wonderland begin. The whole biggest wheel in the world with 64 segments gonna multiply 4 times. Now we need to make decisions. Don't forget there's still a lot of doubles and a lot of triples. So you choose from 3 flappers, green, blue, yellow. That looks at you. Ready? I gotta announce max multiplier 400 and good luck!
This is the amount of money issued, 710,948 euros.
100's blue and 200's yellow. Congratulations to top 5. 200 to Oli, Mia, and their friend Xer. 10,800 more players win it all. Deja vu. Of what? 25? What? Woo! That's a cash on everybody. What are you talking about? All right.
right. Highest multiplier is gonna be 5 times more than that. So now I can only let the emotions go because 500. Ah! Guys, look at the amount of 125s. Man! Crazy! Crazy! Alright, time to shoot your shot. Choose a target, aim on it, do the pew 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 pew. Yeah. Guys, 500. 500. Highest multiplier of the day now.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,461,370 euros.
Alright. Let's go. Time to get back to the wheel. 9,305 with race the
Best of luck. How to play bad and repeat the better options available. Good luck to you all, and then we'll continue. Wish you best of luck. Let's spin it one more time. Waving so, Ras, what about you talking? I love you, baby. Da, 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 da. Hear that? 5x on coin flip. Will be cool to get a coin flip. No, maybe stop. Don't move. Woo! We got it. Coin flip is 5x. Look at that. Amazing. You know, I love it. Woo! No, coin flip will treat as well. I hope so. Okay, I will play spot. Boom. Coin ready. Let's check multis. 5x. Oh! 100! I need that blue. Boom! 25 and 500. Oh my days. Okay. Gimme. That's a great one. 1, 2, 3, go!
This is the amount of money issued 1,122,239 euros.
Lucky dance! Woo! 5,000 players won. Congratulations! Compliments of you finally coin flip treat as well. Here go 26k for euros, 22k, 17k for your DFC. Oh my days, let's go. Let's spin it one more time. That was a great one. Coin flip treat as well. Okay, good luck to you all. Enjoy!
And 3 winners in betting time. I think that if I'm gonna lose 5 kilos, I'll need suspenders for these pants. But you're close. Good, you remembered me, of course. You don't need to lose any weight. I'm feeling comfortable when I'm like 5 kilos less. 4 times crazy time. I'm just feeling comfortable. I'm more confident about myself. I just gained because of the stress. Sometimes because of the stress. 4x on crazy time. Are you kidding me? For real? Bro, this is the first time ever for me. Like, yo, 4x and crazy time, guys. With me, we usually have some top splits on Cash Hunt or any other game, but not crazy time. My days. Decision time's all yours, guys. Whoo! Green, blue, or yellow? Oh my, 800. Imagine landing on it. Let's go. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It's triple. Oh my God, days. Oh my. I think I'm gonna faint. 2,400. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 1,830,552 euros.
One. Oh man, we're taking it. We definitely are taking it. That was a bit unexpected. 12,716 winners. Whew. Mom.
All right. I apologize. I'm done, Christina. Of course. Everything is fine, boy. Everything is fine. Get ready, guys, and wish you all the best of luck on a crazy time. Come on, baby. Woo! Crazy time with a string sauce on the top. Boy, are you ready? Yes, we have a crazy time. Woo! Babes and ladies, just follow me. Amir, let's shine. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Feel free to follow me. Woo-hoo! I'm not betting. Oh, it's okay, boy. Now I respect you way more. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, so let's take a look what I have there. Remember, you're supposed to pick a color. Blue jazz, what about others? There's yellow and the green one. Who wants those colors? 300x multiplier. Woo! Let's do it. What about our double? Can we reach double? Oh well, I would love to. I guess there is a chance for a double. So, oh yes, double. 75 on green, 75 on yellow, and double on blue jazz. You're right. Oh, woohoo! I got 200 multiplying big ball host. Your sister Anna. All right, 600x multiplier. Yeah. All right, boy. You're a smart one. If you want something, just take it. All right, I'm so proud of you.
This is the amount of money issued 72,386 euros.
210x multiplier. Oh yeah. Let's go back, ladies and gentlemen. 1,732 winners. Here again. I was looking at you there. Oh, really? Thank you. Yeah, you're the best. Thank you. Yeah, again, Blue. Woo! To say goodbye to you. Oh, so sweet, boy. All right.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.